Today we're making Sambal Tahu, a bold, comforting tofu dish packed with spicy, sweet and savory flavor. Start by cutting each piece of tofu into 4 bite-sized chunks. Then slice the chives, just the green parts, removing the tougher white stems. And 300 grams of onions, keeping about 50 grams of the onions aside for later. In a pan, heat 1 cup of oil and fry the tofu until it's lightly golden and still soft. We want it to soak up the sauce later, so don't over-fry it. Once the tofu's done, take out 3/4 cup of the oil, leaving 1/4 cup in the pan. You can store the extra oil and reuse it another time. Now, using the remaining oil, fry 250 grams of onions until brown. Add the chili paste and cook it until the oil separates. Then add chili sauce and tomato sauce. Followed by 1 cup of water. This keeps the sauces from burning and prevents everything from sticking to the pan. Next, add the remaining 50 grams of onions. This helps give the sambal more texture and a touch of natural sweetness. Season with salt and sugar. Pour in another cup of water and let everything simmer gently, allowing the sambal to thicken. Add the chives, then the tofu, and let it cook for a bit. Finish it off with a splash of soy sauce and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Rich, spicy, and absolutely delicious. Serve it with rice and enjoy.